Hi, this is Mary.
And Michael from Carter Stuff. We've got the newest Marvel Collector Core box.
Yep.
Guardians of the Galaxy is the theme. So, let's see. I have a feeling that the next theme might be Civil War, which is going to be awesome. That movie, if you haven't seen the new trailer for the Civil War movie, it's going to be great.
Okay.
I think it's just a teaser, but I don't know. I'll have to. Okay. Ready? There's some stuff on the top. We gotta pull that off first.
Yeah.
And we got our pin. It's Groot on the pin. And
we got
on the patch.
Rocket Raccoon.
Rocket Raccoon. A Groot pin. Rocket Raccoon patch. Yay! Alright, I love these things.
I know.
I'm a geek like that. Even though I don't have a jacket to put patches on, and even if I did, I wouldn't put patches on them. I love patches.
Yeah.
I'm a crazy person. And pins, I just love the pins. A lot of these boxes have little pins. They're just fun, yay. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to pull this open. And alright. And then I can grab one. What is that? Ooh, a comic book. Guardians of
That's a really cute cover.
That is a cute cover. It's Groot and Rocket, like a Christmas tree. Like Groot.
I know, they got like cute big eyes.
Very cool. Alright, I guess the glare. There we go. Very cute and cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, Marvel Collector Core. I'll take that as my Christmas card from them. Alright. The one thing I don't like about these poly bags is that they're not as good as normal poly bags. You know, your normal comic bags. They're a little thin and stuff. And they're sealed shut so you can't read the comic. Meh. Whatever. Alright, my turn. Let's see. Kill two things. I got this one. Oh. Marvel Collector Core exclusive. Pop Bobblers. Vinyl bobbleheads. Groot and Rocket.
That's cute.
That must be a new line that that Funko is doing, because I have never heard of Pop Bobblers before.
Me neither.
All of the Marvel, but I love the Christmas. Got Rocket with a bow on his gun, and you've got Groot in a pot with a bow on it. Just Christmassy. Yay! All right.
Okay.
Your turn.
I feel something fuzzy, like clothing.
Yeah, that's cool. I guess we're getting that instead of a T-shirt this time, maybe. It's Guardians of the Galaxy scarf. Awesome.
Also over here has
There you go.
Groot.
Flip it over and see. Look at Groot.
Hold on. There we go. His head's going in.
That is too cute. Okay. Groot is cute.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Cute. That was a bad Groot impression, maybe. Okay. I wonder if there's a...
This is pretty good.
Yeah. So... I'm guessing there's no T-shirt in here.
But it was still cool if there was.
There's one more thing. I'll pull that out.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
It's a pop. It's a giant pop. And wait, where is it?
Top.
Oh.
Boom. A Star-Lord mug. Let's pull that out. That is really cool.
Okay, I guess Pop makes mugs now.
Okay, I just broke the box a little bit. Oh well. This is kind of like the Venom mug that I got. Was it in well, I didn't get Venom, I got Carnage. I think that was in
I can't remember.
is that Loot Crate?
I think so.
Loot Crate or yeah, I think it was Loot Crate a few months ago. There's the Star-Lord head mug. That's cool. I like these ceramic mugs. They're pretty fun. Alright. Put it back in the box for now.
I'll quickly check if there's anything else.
Yeah, I'll stick my head in there. I think that was it. Yep, that's it.
Okay.
Okay, so
Let's figure out.
so we've got the mug, the bobblers, comic book, and the scarf. So that's fun. That's cool.
Yeah.
You know, it's all of course exclusive stuff. This is the Marvel Collector Corps exclusive down at the bottom. It says Marvel Collector Corps exclusive. This is a Collector Corps exclusive variant, and I'm sure the scarf is an exclusive.
Yeah.
So everything sounds great, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.